Hey, this is Sean with the Pop Up Homestead. Okay, we're not doing a lot of videos lately, and I'll tell you why. Because our towers here are close, but there's so much this. Our service is so spotty and terrible. We've been challenging. We've had 3 different systems that we've tried. They haven't worked so far. We've got a borrowed MiFi from the libraries here, Benton County and Carroll County. We can rent, not rent, but sign out little hotspots, and they work great. But sometimes, like 2 or 3 days good, and then 2 or 3 days terrible. So it's been a real issue. So beside all the physical work, that's happening. But this is a solution. So I'm getting ready to put up, install a cell signal booster. So, and this has a main unit. This has a main unit on the desk. It's got an indoor antenna. Then it has an outdoor antenna that's going to be mounted, and we're going to show you where that's going to be mounted outside. So we're going to go take a look and show you where that's going to go. Hey, back. So this is the outdoor antenna. That's going to point that way. That's where there's 2 towers. So we have our internet service right now. The one we're trying to get over the top is T-Mobile, and then our phones are Verizon. So there's a Verizon tower and a T-Mobile tower, both on 641. It's a road, and it's right there, man. But it's like 2 to 3 miles away, and we just need a little boost. So booster. So this is going to go up there. So it's going to go on the end of this, right? At the end of the day, it's going to be there. And then this, I'm going to mount this up. I'm going to raise this as high as I can from up there. So we'll see how it turns out. We'll come back and show you the result. All right.